Yeah.
Okay, next question. What's something you'd never do in your own home?
In my own home?
Yeah.
Or the client's home?
It says, what would you never do in your own home? Hardwood floor in the bathroom?
I would say a toilet inside the shower. I already saw that happening once.
I've seen that in Europe.
Putting the toilets inside the shower space.
Yeah.
And it gets messy. I saw that when I was there as well. And
You have to have tins to put your toilet paper in so it doesn't get wet.
It's not something that I would never have.
Yeah, I've seen that in Florence.
Yes.
They freaked my wife out.
Something I would have in my house. It's that I know people that they would never have in their house. A window inside the shower.
Yes.
So you have your shower, and inside your shower you have a window.
Yeah.
That's really nice, pretty common like in South America or Europe, maybe in US and here in Canada, maybe they're not used to that. Some people complain about it.
They're very private people.
But it's really nice when you have that. So
yeah, that helps wake me up.
You have the ventilation there, the window, like it's...
Yeah, but I can understand from a contractor's point of view how it's problematic. It has to be sealed really, really well. It has to, the sill has to be sloped so if any water does go on it, it floats back to the floor area. So you just have to be conscious of how you build it.
But luckily for all the clients, when we put the windows there, we have the best team here to put all the details together. So when the contractor is building that, he will build in the correct way.
Yeah.
So we don't need to worry about that.
We love the details.